All right, I'm gonna make some carnivore waffles. Uh, the I watched the Strong Sisters make this. Uh, One of the things you miss being on this diet is waffles, but it's 6 eggs. It's a real simple recipe. A pound of ground beef, or they used lamb, but they said that the ground beef will work also, and some salt. All right, I've never tried this before, but I wanted to. I'm going to put in about, they didn't give a measurement on the salt. I'm going to put I think about about a teaspoon and a half maybe. You don't have to be, you know, just to taste, I think pretty much that's all you need. And then 6 eggs. Uh, Mine are room temperature. I don't know if it matters or not. You know, let's see, put the top on here. Blender up. Try it on high here. I'm sure you want to get this liquefied pretty good to, be the consistency of waffle batter. It's starting to look a little thick, so I'm going to go and add another egg to it. They had used, I should have mentioned this, they had only used 8 ounces of beef. I'm using a pound, so I think I'm going to go ahead and add 3 eggs. So that would be a total of 9. Okay. So let's try this. Get more of a texture. I think we're gonna need. We're going to just throw in one more. Make it 10. Just whoop. There went an eggshell. Well, we'll see how that one. Oh, look, it busted right there. Well, that'll give a little extra consistency, right? So 10 eggs. Yeah, you can see the eggshells there. Well, I'm picking out some eggshells. Well, you live, you learn, right? It was just part of the show. But you can still see the pieces going by here. Okay. Blended real good. Well, I got a mess to clean up there. Had a whole egg come right out on me as I cracked that one. All right. And you get your waffle iron ready. It's already been preheated. I use olive oil cooking spray for nonstick. They had used, I think, butter on theirs, or maybe ghee, actually. But basically, I think you just don't want it to stick, Let's see how these eggshell waffles are. Just pour it out. Yeah, you don't want it overflowing, so you got to be careful. I'm sure there's probably a measurement I should be using, but it's looking like it may spread out here when I close it. There we go. Okay, I'm going to check on it here after I got it on set to high. This is an older waffle maker. Set to the highest setting. When it turns green, I'll see what it looks like. Okay, gets a little messy while it cooks. It took about, I think, 5 minutes, but looks like a waffle. Let's see. Oh, it's got the consistency of a waffle. I'm going to start another one here. I don't think you really need too much non-stick, spray or, because hamburgers, has its own grease qualities, but it takes its own grease in here. It's not bad, actually. It is crunchy. And actually, it's pretty good. I think it would make a good bun for hamburgers or a sandwich. Huh, I'm liking that. So definitely I would give that a try. So it would be 1 pound of ground beef to 10 eggs. And seriously, this might be a game changer. Get some sugar-free syrup and some butter. I'm thinking it's going to be a good waffle substitute, and it's very low carb. 0 carb. Well, eggs technically have some carbs in it. So, okay. If you like this, please like and subscribe. Share it with your friends. Thanks.